Hatsune.
Vocaloid, Project Diva. Wala.
What number is he?
145 pa siya. $149 na siya. So nawala na. This is the last already. Unless the
147 is here. Alright, number 147.
147, Benjamin Abando as Mori Rakmaru from Samurai Warriors. And last but not the least, number 149, Kimi Natsuki as Len Kagamine from Vocaloid Project Diva. Okay, that's a preview of Royal Rumble 2013.